Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, so this question is basically asking for your understanding of how greenhouse gases work and why they have an effect on global temperature. So basically, how greenhouse gases work is first, you have carbon dioxide, excuse me, methane, nitrous oxide, just out in the atmosphere, um, and the sun is releasing solar radiation um, that is making its way to our planet. And that solar radiation comes down and it, gets into the plants, and it's their source of light energy that they convert into chemical energy, and they're happy. And then excess energy actually bounces off the surface of the earth and is released as heat or thermal energy. And this is supposed to basically float back out into space and leave the atmosphere. Um, and greenhouse gases are meant to keep some of this, heat energy in, because uh, heat is an important factor in a lot of, life on Earth. The problem is, as these molecules increase in number, more and more heat radiation will get trapped, and the temperatures will increase even more. Um, but that's all we really need to know to understand what's going on in this question right now. Let's take a look at our multiple choice options. It looks like A is almost close, except they don't actually trap the solar radiation itself. Solar radiation is a different type of energy than thermal radiation. They trap the thermal radiation. So we can go ahead and discount that. B and C are kind of frivolous answers. They're not really relevant, nor probably not correct. And D is pretty much the definition of what a greenhouse gas is. That they trap the solar radiation, which is converted to thermal radiation as it's on Earth's surface, and that is the heat that will lead to an increase in temperature. But some of it does leave, because greenhouse gases aren't, covering the entirety of Earth. There is, some wiggle room for that energy to leave, but they do trap a lot of it. And so I think it's safe to say that we can say that D is our